Alright, so here's part 2, and you can see that all of my things have a white background to them. That's just a little bit bigger than the actual image. So now you're probably wondering what this square is. In Cricut Print-to-Cut, you can only, your area is only 6.75 by 9.25. That's as big of an area of Print-to-Cut as you're going to get. So if you make yourself a square in those exact dimensions, actually it's a rectangle, and I'm going to change it to white because your paper's white. Now you can go ahead and get all of this on your paper. So you know how it's all going to fit. And I want to get it all on like one sheet of paper here. Alright, so I have all my images sized on here. I mean, this looks pretty good about the sizes and everything. When you do it this way, you at least know how big you can kind of make your images. That helps. You can always do like turn your image, if that helps, and get it, you know, turn it like a different way. Sometimes that will help in making it like a little bit bigger or maybe a little bit smaller. It doesn't really matter, just so you can get it, you know, get your images on here in any way that you like, and make them big enough so that they're big enough like sticker. So I think this looks pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, if I was selling these, I'd probably try to fit more on here, but this is kind of like a test. So there you go, they're all sized. Okay, so now what you want to do is come and select the whole image, and down here you want to hit where it says flatten, and you want to go through and flatten all of your images here so that the Cricut, it knows it's not cutting all of these out individually. There's two ways of doing this. You could take away this thing and click attach, and when you hit make it, it shows up exactly how you had it. And here's the other. So the other option is just hit make it, and you can move your images around, and here it shows me that this one won't fit, but I can